Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 24th of September. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director of Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have Zuno, REA Group, Moelis, Talga Resources and Deep Yellow. So if you have a request, send it through to me. Make sure you've signed up to the free newsletter. If you enjoy these videos, we'd love you to share them on social media and even leave us a review on Facebook and Google. Remember, we do offer portfolio management services, so if you're frustrated in in how your portfolio is going at the moment and you think you can do better, then please give me a call. And of course, any advice is general only. So we've got our daily chart here of Zuno. So we could see that at the onset of COVID, of course, the shares have run pretty hard. But this uptrend is now over. So the selling has been quite impulsive. So we could see, big selling here, struggles on any rally, and then more sort of big selling. Even recently, when it jumped higher here, we could see that as soon as it got back to this sort of trading range, the selling came in. So I think if this recent low doesn't hold and it goes through that, then we're just going to continue to see lower levels. REA, so daily chart again. I had a look at this one a few weeks ago. So what we noted was the, sort of a nice consolidation here. It sort of rallied out of it to a new high, but we could see it sort of struggling at 120. So breaching that had to be the next sort of buy signal, and we could see that, one day here in early September it got above that, but it was sold down by the end of the day. So obviously a negative sign, and then it sort of followed through on the downside. So it's drifting back. We need to see it find support. The last couple of days have been good. Just need to see it obviously hold these sorts of levels here. Otherwise, I think if we see this low get taken out, I've noted some strong support around 100. So if this low gets taken out, we'd be looking for a reversal near the 100 level. Okay, Moelis. So this, I think, is a great looking chart. So a nice rally here, consolidation. Sort of broke free of that consolidation in August. Then it's come up to retest the June high. It has come back, but we could see it's been in a fairly orderly way. So it's basically just consolidating under the June high. I think it's in preparation for a rally. So basically, as soon as it sort of cracks that $4 level, then we've got another rally on our hands, and we may well see it up here. So we just have to wait for that buy signal. Okay, Talga Resources. So also been trading fairly well since the March lows, just building nicely, nice rallies, consolidations along the way, doing all the right things. The volumes in terms of the last sort of bit of, the last move here, we could see the volume coming in, which is good. So I think it's worth holding. If I was in it, I'd continue to hold it. In terms of buying, we're looking at where the nearby support levels are, which are all the way down here. So I think the risk reward isn't good as a new entry. We'll need to see another sort of consolidation like this or like this, and then on that breakout is when the next buying opportunity is. But for the moment, it still looks like it's edging higher. Okay, finally Deep Yellow. So if we look at the weekly, we could see, we had this downtrend here, and it looks like it's broken that downtrend, which is good. Back to the daily chart, so we've got the rally off the March low, very nice. It's a big sideways consolidation, and then it's continued on with good volume. So looking good here. I think, if it, in terms of the next sort of buy area, again, we just need it to hopefully sort of settle here and then start to tick up again. At the moment, it looks like it's just drifting back, but overall this looks pretty good. We just need to just make sure it settles down, and then that's the next buy signal. All right, well, that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through. I'll try to look at it next week for you.